hiking the Slough Creek Trail in Yellowstone National Park early June 2018. With early morning temperatures in the low 30s, we first observed a yellow-bellied marmot who thought it would be a great idea to catch some rays out on the rock ledge. We chose the Slough Creek Trail after viewing Stan Mills' video hiking this trail just a week earlier. From watching his videos, I've learned the terrain conditions, what animals I should expect to see, and possible hazards I might encounter, and how I should react and prepare myself. So I wasn't surprised when this sow black bear stepped out on the trail. Just 10 yards in front of me, she stood up on her hind legs while she watched her two small cubs cross in front of us. We obviously slowly backed away a few yards. At first they would just climb and get higher and higher. Then they begin to play. I learned that this sow and cubs apparently are familiar with the many who hike the trail daily. With the cubs in the tree only feet from our path and not an easy route around them, we could only stand and enjoy the sight as the cubs played and Mom grazed below. Eventually the cubs would settle down and Mom would feed further from the trail, giving us the thought that maybe we could get by. But each time we tried, Mom would let us know that she was there and she would start grazing back towards us.
We walk by? You gonna let us walk by? No, if we walk by?
Even though the cubs were in a tree just feet from where we were going to pass, I felt it was safe to continue on our hike.
Hey, Big Mommy, I don't mind if we walk by?
Finally, we did. However, Mom kept her eye on us the whole time. On the way out, another marmot gave us another opportunity for a photo shoot. I'd like to thank Stan Mills for his informative videos. If you plan on hiking the greater Yellowstone ecosystem, subscribe to his channel. You won't be disappointed. Also, subscribe to my son Robert James's channel for more wildlife videos, including the red wolves of Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge in North Carolina. Thanks for watching.